Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put Threads link in your Instagram bio. So guys, let's continue into your Threads application. Now go to your profile and then tap on share profile. Then a copy link option will show here, or if it's not showing, then you can do one thing. Just go any social app. So I am selecting WhatsApp. Now send this link any person. And guys, now you can copy this link in here. Now go back and go to your Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap on edit profile. Now tap on links. Now tap on add external link. Now paste the link here. And then just tap on done. So guys, that's it. That's how you can put Threads link in your Instagram bio very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.